If you're tired of food sticking, uneven heating, or cookware that wears out way too fast, you're going to want to see this. Today, I'm reviewing the Carote 14 pieces ceramic cookware set, a non-stick, induction-ready kitchen set designed for safer cooking, easier cleanup, and long-term durability. Without the premium price tag, the purchase link is available in the description below. Let's dive into what's included, how this ceramic cookware performs, and who it's really best for. What comes in the Carote 14-piece set? This is a complete cookware solution covering nearly every everyday cooking task. You get 2 frying pans, a saucepan, a sauté pan, a stock pot, matching lids, cooking utensils, and pan protectors, all designed to work together. Whether you're cooking breakfast, prepping dinner, or making a big batch meal, this set eliminates the need to buy extra pieces separately. Key features you should know: ceramic non-stick coating free from PFOA, PFOS, and harmful chemicals. Ultra non-stick surface for effortless cooking and quick cleanup. Even and rapid heat distribution with no hot spots. Reinforced die-cast aluminum body for durability and resistance to wear. Induction compatible and suitable for everyday stovetop cooking. 12-month manufacturer warranty for added peace of mind. Cooking performance and heat control. One of the biggest strengths of this Carote cookware set is how evenly it heats. Thanks to the reinforced aluminum construction, food cooks consistently across the entire surface. No burning in the center, no undercooked edges. The ceramic non-stick coating performs impressively. Eggs, pancakes, and delicate foods release easily, and cleanup usually takes nothing more than a quick wipe or rinse. You'll also notice you need less oil, which makes everyday meals lighter and easier. Durability and everyday use. Unlike thinner non-stick pans that lose performance quickly, these pans feel solid and well-balanced. The die-cast aluminum construction helps the cookware hold its shape and resist warping, even with frequent use. And the included pan protectors are a nice touch. They help extend the life of the non-stick surface when stacking pans in storage. Safety and peace of mind. This set is made without PFOA, PFOS, or other harmful chemicals, making it a great choice for anyone prioritizing non-toxic ceramic cookware. Add in the 12-month warranty, and you've got extra confidence that your purchase is protected. Who this cookware set is for? The Carote 14 pieces ceramic cookware set is perfect for families, first-time homeowners, apartment kitchens, or anyone upgrading from worn-out non-stick pans. It's especially appealing if you want safe materials, reliable performance, and a full cookware setup without overspending. Final verdict: if you're looking for affordable ceramic non-stick cookware that delivers smooth cooking, easy cleanup, and dependable heat performance, the Carote 14-piece set is a strong contender. It's practical, well-built, and designed for real-life cooking. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the description and subscribe for more honest cookware and kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.